For lesson 7, you're going to be working with the video and audio tags, which are new in HTML5. You are going to want to go through the multimedia lecture demo because it gives you a lot of background information on using and creating sound files and using and creating video. So a little background on how sound files are created, the popular sound formats on the internet, and then most importantly, how to find royalty-free sound that you can download. Then the different ways of adding sound files to a web page. Basically, you can link sound or you can embed sound. And you'll notice that I have interactive links and embedded elements so that you can actually play the songs. There are also links to the W3 Schools site, so you can see their examples. There is information on how to convert your media files into different formats. There is a link to a free sound editing program that is pretty awesome. And another free multimedia playback app, which you can download to your computer and it'll play sound or video. Okay, then we get into video files and the different formats that you'll find on the web for those, how to link your video, how to embed the video. Okay, and I have interactive examples there as well. Information on converting video files and how to find the dimensions. And then how to add other types of media. How to use iframe and how to use the object tag. Okay, so this is actually a pretty fun lesson. Just make sure you read through here and you understand everything before you do the textbook assignment. And this last little section here I included because you will see questions on your certification exam that deal with captions and other ADA requirements. So make sure that you understand how track is used. Then, once you finish that, you'll go into the textbook assignment where you can practice using all of the multimedia elements. And you're going to need to download quite a few files because I'm actually giving you all of the media files that you need so you can focus on inserting the code. So this walks you through basically creating an interactive zoo page. And you will also get the opportunity to insert an iframe in this one. So this is kind of a fun lesson. And once you're done with this, then you are going to be creating your own multimedia page. Now you can use this zoo page that you've completed kind of as a template for your lab assignment, or I do have an example in here that you can use as well. So this little example is kind of explained in this video, but I'll just quick show it to you. It is a multimedia page based on Halloween. So you have a couple examples that you can look at. You can look at the zoo page and you can look at this one to get ideas for how to complete this lab assignment. And there is more information on the lab assignment in this overview video. And once you're done with the textbook assignment and the lab assignment, go into the Dropbox and submit done so that I know it's done. And then you're going to do the exam number 1. This exam is set up like your certification exam. There are similar types of questions. This is not your vanilla true false multiple choice question. Okay? There are lots of different question types. You may be asked to order code. You may be asked to provide multiple correct answers. So this is a little harder than a regular true false multiple choice. It is open book, open note, and there is no time limit. Your certification is going to be closed book and there is a time limit, okay? But for these exams where I'm helping you prepare for that certification, I do not put a time limit on it because you need to get used to working with these types of questions, okay? Make sure you use the resources from this class and that you don't try to Google for answers because that's really not a good way to get correct answers. The exam is going to be graded when it is submitted, and the total number of points possible is 60. If there is a question that the majority of you miss, I will develop an extra credit opportunity to make sure that you understand the information. The information that you're being tested on is information you're probably going to see in the certification exam. Okay, so any question the majority of you miss, I will develop extra credit for that. Okay, so that is lesson 7. As you're working through this, if you run into problems or have questions, please let me know. And try to have fun with the multimedia. This is supposed to be a fun lesson.